Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, November 10th, 2022. Let's find out what is going on Forex calendar today. On Thursday we have plenty of speeches, of course, from the Euro zone officials. That's all because there is a Euro group meeting. It will last until Friday. In the meantime, the Eurozone will reveal the ECB Economic Bulletin, and we have, of course, the other speeches, even from the guys from the UK, MPC member Ramsden and MPC member Etherium will give a speech as well. This is just later on at around 3 p.m. The most important data for today will be released from the US in form of the core CPI, which is expected to drop from 0.6% to 0.5%, and of course the initial jobless claims that's supposed to increase from 217,000 to 220,000. Then later on, we got the speeches from the various officials from FOMC, from Bank of Canada, and at the end of the day, we got the federal budget balance data scheduled for release at 9 p.m. So, plenty of remarks, plenty of speeches, some data from the US. So, let's find out what is going on the majors and on the related pairs. Let's start with the euro dollar. For our chart of the euro dollar is showing us the nice test of the level of 1.0094, which is the high of the wave C. So we have a very sharp reversal from the lower channel line and from the technical support towards this level. However, it doesn't look like the wave A to the upside has been completed yet. Right now we have a pullback towards the parity level, and the market is trading around this level right now. So please notice that this is kind of an important technical support for the bulls. So if we break below this level, then unfortunately the market will go towards 9,974 or even towards the 9,901, 9,879. Those are the next technical support levels. Those levels might be the targets for the wave B as well. So please stay focused, stay vigilant, and please watch the levels on the euro dollar today. Very interesting price action here, and any remarks from the Eurogroup official might make this move to the downside a little bit more dynamic. Let's find out what's going on the British pound. So after the rally, as you can see, very nice rally on this 4-hour chart, the British pound is coming back to the channel again. So we have a very nice breakout. We bounce back inside the channel, break out of the channel with one candle, and then we are back on and we bounce from the lower line again. So what is going on here is really something really dodgy. Right now the market is not that much decided on where it wants to go. However, some new levels appeared here. So let me just copy this one so you can see what do I mean. We got the actual lower high here. That's fine. We have the lower high 1.1598. Then we have some another technical support. So let's just switch this level and add a new one. We got this one, which is the older one, okay, and we got the new technical support around here. I think there might be some sort of the Fibonacci retracement level as well. I guess it will be around 50 or even 61. Let me just find out. There you go. This is a fortunately there's neither 50 nor 61, so nothing like this. So that bounce might not last long. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. We need a fifth wave towards 61% of the Fibonacci retracement. If this is the target for the first decline, 1.1319. momentum is negative already, so very interesting price action, and it doesn't look like the bulls are winning yet despite of this very big rally. Please watch the levels, please watch the Fibonacci levels as well. US dollar, because of the data from the Canada, US dollar to the Canadian dollar, what is going on here? Let's switch to the daily time frame chart. The daily time frame chart is developing as expected. We just hit the technical support. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. There you go. We just hit the technical support at 1.3421, 1.3392, and we got the bullish engulfing pattern. So right now there is a chance for the rally to the upside. Let me just confirm this by saying this is bullish engulfing pattern on a daily time frame chart. We expect the market to test maybe the trend line, maybe the local trend line. As you can see, if you draw it by the extreme, the trend line is around the level of 1.37 and 50. So this is the level. The pin bar high was somewhere there. There you go, 1.3806, 1.3807, perfectly. So we got this wall of the resistance on the US dollar to the Canadian dollar building up on the daily time frame chart. If we zoom out, we can clearly see that the eventually potential target for the bears is still at the level of 1.3221. This move to the downside looks very corrective. Okay, so this move to the downside is a corrective move during the uptrend here on the US dollar to the Canadian dollar. Okay, so we have covered this. Let's take a look what's going on the Bitcoin. Okay, the Bitcoin tries, of course, to recover. However, we have a very 17,600. That was the level. I didn't want to move this one. I wanted to move that one to see how much we dropped. 27%. We dropped 27% from the top, which is a lot right now. So right now those levels here will act as all of this will act as a technical resistance, including 17,000 and 17,600. We have a small bounce from the lows of 15,559. And this apparently doesn't actually look in any way positive, right? This kind of market behavior. The daily time frame, the candle didn't close yet, so we cannot put any support here on 15,555. Okay, because we need to wait for this candle to close. Maybe it will close red, and then of course the low will be even lower than it is right now. However, it looks like the market wants to rally higher in order to hit and test the level of 17,600. And to be honest with you guys, it all depends on this level. If we will break below this level, then of course if we reverse after the test and break down, of course the downtrend will continue. If we break above, there is a chance for further rally on the Bitcoin, further bounce. It's not even a rally, it's a bounce on the Bitcoin. So please pay attention to this sequence. As you can see, that was all corrective here during the up move. That was corrective, that was corrective, that was corrective, and this move to the downside looks very bearish. So take a look at the Ethereum as well, and the same situation. However, the Ethereum didn't actually made any new lower low. So the low on the Ethereum is 886 this year. However, the low here was 1071. So yes, there is a drop, there is a significant drop. How much percent it is? I think it will be around 40. The drop is for now 37% from the recent rally high. That's a lot. However, no new low was made yet. It looks like the market wants to test this demand zone. It used to be demand zone, now it will be supply zone. It didn't actually work very well. It took one day to break it. So that's a very strong down move here. However, there is a chance for a bounce, there is a chance for a move to the upside on the Ethereum, and hopefully we will break back above $1,200 in order to test this zone of the resistance and maybe one of these resistances. Please notice the fact that there is untested level of $1,502, right? Because we have a breakout and no test, breakout and no retest of these levels. Okay, so that might be the clue for eventually for the bounce on the Ethereum versus the American dollar. So this is how it looks like for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.